Hey guys, it's Beccaboo here. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be my BOXYCHARM unboxing for February 2018. So last month I didn't do an unboxing. I did strictly a makeup tutorial using all the products from last month's BOXYCHARM as well as using products from previous BOXYCHARM boxes. It didn't get as many views as an unboxing, so I'm going to do an unboxing, and then in about a week or two I'm going to do a makeup tutorial using the products from the box. So let me know if you're into that, and I'll try and maybe do it every month. We'll see how it turns out. So for those of you who don't know what BOXYCHARM is, it's a monthly subscription box where we get typically 5 full-size makeup products sent to us for just $21 a month. It's a really awesome deal. All that out of the way, let's get into the box. I haven't opened it up at all, so we've got 2 cards here. The name of this box is called Galaxy Glow, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yep, 5 products, and then mine at the bottom says V1. And the other card is from CoverFX, and it says 20% off your next purchase on coverfx.com. That's pretty cool. Let's start off with this. So first we have from CoverFX is called a Shimmer Veil, and it retails for $28. Alright, so it's kind of like a lip gloss. Open it up, and I'm just going to swatch that on the back of my hand. And it is a cream eyeshadow, so you can see that there. It's really pretty. It's like a pinky metallic color, and when you turn it, it kind of shifts like peachy. Really pretty. I'll have to see how I like that on my eyes. So next thing I see is from Pure, and it says this is the X Faux Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator, and it retails for $17. And the product description is, with an instant boost of shea butter, raw sugar, and exfoliating beads, this 4-in-1 lip scrub pencil exfoliates, plumps, hydrates, and soothes. Using the shea butter to soften lips, while the raw sugar and exfoliating beads are used to buff away dead surface cells. It moisturizes the lips for a softer, smoother, more plump lip. And it even has the ingredients on this. Okay, so it's like a chubby crayon, and I'm assuming you just rub this on your lips. Oh yeah, and it has like gritty stuff inside. It does feel quite sticky. It smells nice too. Let's see, does it? Oh yeah, and it's retractable, so once you use up the tip, you just screw it up, and more product comes out. It smells nice. Let's see if it comes off of my hand easily. Oh yeah, easy to come off. Alright, so next is a pencil, and this is from Vintage Cosmetics, and this is a smoky eye pencil retailing for $21. The color is jet black. It says Jessica's richly pigmented smoky eye pencil delivers intense jet black definition, creating pencil point precision or smudgy saturated color. The creamy soft formula glides on lids without tugging or pulling. So let's give this a swatch. Definitely very creamy. See how it smudges out? Smudges out quite nice. I wouldn't say it's like the blackest eye pencil, but it is cool to have like a wooden pencil that is so creamy like that. Cool, looking forward to using that. Next up we have some brushes. Let's open this up. See if I can get them out. Okay, so these are from Crown Pro, and these retail for $29.99. It says this 3-piece brush trio to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes. The medium-sized brush can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeter of the face. Finally, the large powder brush can be used to set everything in place. They are really soft, but not like overly soft. It's still kind of quite firm. Don't know if I would be using this to set the powder on my face. I would probably want something not quite as dense, but this would be like good for, I guess, contouring. This, yeah, you could use this for like a light contouring. The brush sizes are quite weird. Like this could use this to like smoke out your lower lash line or like add a color into your crease. I don't know. They're not my favorite brushes. I mean, it's nice with the white handles, white and pink bristles, but I don't know. We'll have to use them and see how I like them. Okay, and then last in the box, it is from Ofra. Let's open it up. Oh, cool. We got a palette. Oh, this is so cool. Look at it. The way it opens. Oh, I don't like that. Why does it stick? Okay, I liked how it opened until this part comes up. I feel like I'm gonna poke myself with this. That's kind of weird. But it is nice because I'm always like looking for new palettes, like refill palettes. And then this is from Ofra and it is a blush. It is the color Godet, and it says the blush Godet offers strong pigment with a long-lasting effect in a fabulous pressed powder blush. And then the pop-up palette says it provides a perfect home for any magnetic makeup Godet. Okay, so that's not the color. Again, Ofra like doesn't give, okay, maybe it's called Blush Winter Rose Glow. We've gotten Ofra stuff in a BOXYCHARM box before, but they didn't put any of the names on anything. So that's just like annoying. I guess it cuts costs for the boxes. Let's watch this. I don't really like this color. Very orangey. This would definitely look a lot better on medium to deeper skin tones, but for fair, just not really feeling it. And it fits nicely right in the palette. Alright, so that's everything that came in my box this month. Was I that impressed? Not really. My favorite thing was probably the Cover FX Shimmer Veil. I'm really excited to use this. But everything else is just kind of average. There was no really theme with this box. Like it says it's Galaxy Glow, but only one kind of out there glowy product. So yeah, we're gonna have to use these products and kind of see how they perform, if they kind of work together and whatnot. Right, so that is it. My box this month was worth $126.99, which is a great deal because you're only getting it for $21 a month. If you guys do want to sign up for BOXYCHARM, there is a link in my description box below. It is an affiliate link, which means I will get a commission of the sale if you choose to sign up through my link. And that's it. If you guys want to see me do a video using strictly BOXYCHARM products, please let me know in the comments below and I will try to get on that about probably in like a week or two. That way other people can get their boxes first. And yeah, that's about it. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.